Losing weight. It's not just a wish. It's a daily battle for millions of people around the world. Diet plans come and go. Exercise routines change every few months. But the results? Frustration. So where does it all go wrong? Here's the truth. Most people are fighting against their body, not with it. Today, we're going to break down the science hiding inside your body, why fat accumulates, what metabolism actually is, and the habits that can genuinely change your biology. Welcome to NatureWise Essentials. Your body, a survival machine. Your body is an incredibly intelligent machine, and it has one primary goal: stay alive. Thousands of years ago, humans had no idea when their next meal would come. So the body developed a solution. Whenever extra food was available, store it as fat for later. That storage system is still running inside you today, and it doesn't switch off easily. That's why losing weight isn't just a matter of willpower. It's about hormones, metabolism, and the choices you make every single day. Why does your body store fat? 3 real reasons. Reason 1, insulin, the fat guardian. Every time you eat, your body releases a hormone called insulin to deliver energy to your cells. But when you eat constantly throughout the day, especially sugary, processed, or refined carbohydrate-heavy foods, your insulin levels stay elevated. And high insulin means one thing: your body stops burning fat and starts storing it. Reason 2, cortisol, the stress hormone. When you're under chronic stress, your body pumps out cortisol. This hormone drives up your appetite and signals your body to store fat specifically around your belly. It's no coincidence that stress and weight gain so often go hand in hand. Reason 3, not moving enough. Sitting for long stretches slows your metabolism down significantly. When your body isn't using energy, it stores it. Metabolism, the engine running your body. Metabolism is the rate at which your body burns calories. It's made up of 3 things. First, basal metabolic rate, the calories your body burns at rest, just to breathe, keep your heart beating, and your cells functioning. Second, physical activity, walking, working, exercising, all of it burns energy. Third, digesting food. Yes, breaking down food burns calories too, especially protein. Here's something important. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even while you're asleep. The good news? You can train your metabolism to work better. And we're going to show you how. Science-based strategies for losing weight. 1. Calorie balance. Weight loss happens when your body burns more calories than you consume. But cutting too many calories is counterproductive. Your metabolism slows down and nutrient deficiencies kick in. A safe, sustainable target is reducing your intake by 300 to 500 calories per day. 2. Eat more protein. Protein keeps you fuller longer, boosts your metabolism, and preserves muscle mass as you lose weight. Eggs, fish, lentils, beans, chicken, tofu, and Greek yogurt are all excellent sources. 3. Cut back on refined carbohydrates. White flour, sweets, sugary drinks, and processed snacks cause sharp insulin spikes. Replace them with vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. These keep your insulin stable and curb unnecessary cravings. 4. Fiber is your quiet ally. Fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full. Oats, apples, lentils, chia seeds, vegetables, and whole grains are all packed with it. Simply increasing your fiber intake can lead to weight loss, even without changing anything else. 5. NEAT. Small movements. Big results. You don't need a gym membership. Non-exercise activity. Thermogenesis, or NEAT, refers to the calories you burn through everyday movement. Walking, cleaning the house, taking the stairs, standing instead of sitting. These small actions add up to a surprisingly big difference over time. 6. Build muscle strength. Training 2 to 3 times a week builds muscle tissue. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even when you're resting. 7. Sleep. The hidden weight loss tool. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, and less leptin, the hormone that makes you feel full. The result? You overeat and crave junk food. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is just as important as your workout. 8. Stay hydrated. Water supports digestion, reduces cravings, and helps your body break down stored fat. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Hormones, the invisible forces running the show. Weight loss isn't only about calories. Hormones play an enormous role. Insulin controls whether your body stores or burns fat. Ghrelin triggers hunger. Leptin signals fullness. Cortisol, the stress hormone that increases both appetite and fat storage. Thyroid hormones regulate the speed of your metabolism. The best way to keep these hormones balanced is exactly what we just covered: quality sleep, protein, fiber, and consistent movement. Why crash diets always fail? Lose 20 pounds in 10 days. You've heard that promise before, but here's what the science actually says. When you drastically cut calories overnight, your metabolism slows to a crawl, muscle tissue starts breaking down, hunger hormones surge, and your body shifts into what's essentially a starvation response. The weight that drops fast is mostly water and muscle, not fat, and it almost always comes back with extra. Real, lasting weight loss is slow, steady, and sustainable. Mindset, the force that changes everything. Science also shows that losing weight isn't just a physical process, it's a mental one too. Be present when you eat, put the phone down. Pay attention to portion sizes. The size of your plate matters more than you think. Manage your stress, it directly lowers cortisol. Stop labeling foods as good or bad. That mindset fuels obsession and overeating. And most importantly, celebrate your wins, every single small one. When your mind is in the right place, your body follows. Remember, your body is not your enemy. Every single moment, it's working to keep you alive and well. All it needs is a little support. Walk a bit more, eat a bit more protein, add a little more fiber, get a little better sleep, and bring your stress levels down just a little. These small, consistent changes, over time, will shift your biology. Nature-wise essentials, because working with nature makes life simpler. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. We'll see you in the next one, with more of nature's secrets.